For today's project, we need 3 kind of yarn, means 3 color of yarn, and 1 millimeter hook. Let's begin with magic ring. I'm going to make 5 petals around the magic ring. After doing magic ring, chain 3. Now I am going to make 3 triple crochet after the chain. This is my first triple crochet. For making triple crochet, you have to wrap 2 times the thread with the hook. Now this is my second triple crochet. And now the last triple crochet. Now again chain 3. There is first 3 chain, then 3 triple crochet, then again 3 chain. After making 3 chain, do a slip knot with magic ring. My first petal is done. Now I am going to make second petal. Again make 3 chain. Then again make 3 triple crochet after the 3 chain. After 3 triple crochet, again make 3 chain and make a slip knot with magic ring. Now my second petal is done. Like this you have to do 3 more petals. After making more 3 petals, I will catch you again. My 5 petals are done. Now I am closing the loop with the slip knot and closing the magic ring. Pull the thread. Now fasten up the yarn. Now make 2 flowers like this. My tricolor flower is here. I am going to make earrings with this, dangle earrings. I have made earlier on. Now I am going to join this flower together. I am joining this flower with a jump ring and decorate it with 2 lip charm.